In today's class, we will know about the concept of financing decision, introduction, capital required for a company from initial stage to decline stage, for example, establishment, expansion, diversification, etc. It is raised from different sources like equity, debentures, preference shares, etc. The capital structure of any firm is the combination of different sources of finance used by the firm. For example, the ratio of debt and equity mix is the part of capital structure. Next, meaning of finance decision. It look after the financial matters and functional activities and day-to-day activities of the business or organization. The decision on the amount of fund to invest it. It is a pattern of capitalization or capital structure and distribution of profits, etc. Moving to next concept, principles of financial decision. First point, risk return trade off. The risk corresponding in a size as expected profits. Coming to next point, time value of money. The money received at a present is more valuable than money received in future. Next point, maximization of wealth. The functional decision taken by financial manager regarding increase in the shareholders' wealth. Coming to next point, suitability. The suitability of funds used for investment. If it is a short-term assets, the investment will be done in the short-term funds and vice versa. Coming to next point, balance between liquidity and profitability. The funds to meet a obligation in the short term as well as long term. Coming to next point, diversification. Invest on different investment proposal or it may be an F financial plan for the organization. Next, meaning of capitalization. The total amount of all long-term securities issued by a organization or a company. For example, refer company balance sheet on liability side. The capital is an indication of all long-term securities in a company. Next, definition. According to Bonville and DeVoe, it refers to balance sheet value of stocks and bonds outstanding, as it refers the liability side of balance sheet is a part of the capital as well as the outstanding. Coming to next, meaning of capital structure. It is a ratio of capital raised from different sources. It is a proportion of equity and debt mix for raising the funds in the organization or company. For example, a company wants to choose the pattern of capital structure by issuing 50% of equity and 50% of debt capital. Coming to next definition, according to Griston Berg, it is a composition of its capitalization. It is a pattern of capital structure. It includes all long-term capital sources. As example, it may be an equity share, debenture, preference shares, etc. as well as the loans, reserves, bonds. Next concept, features of capital structure. Coming to first point, leverage is a borrowed funds invested in the business and expected profits. Leverage is to rise in the profits. Coming to next point, minimum possible risk of loss of control. By choosing a ratio of debt and equity in the capital structure, it reduces the risk. Coming to next point, undue restrictions in agreement or a contract of debt. It may or may not be. It is a part of the borrowed funds. Coming to next point, avoid undue financial risk with the increase of debt. So here The ratio of debt used in the organization, it reduces the financial risk. Coming to next point, use of debt. As the part of the capacity of the business, the capital structure should be patterned. Coming to next point, position to meet its obligation as a part of paying in the loan and interest charges whenever it falls due. Coming to next, pattern of capital structure. As a capital structure of any organization, it will be a part of equity shares only, or equity share and preference share, or equity share and preference and debenture. Coming to last option, equity and debentures. Coming to next concept, optimum capital structure. As it is a part of combination between a debt and equity, it will be ensuring a maximization of the value of the firm. It is a part of profit maximization and wealth maximization of a company. Next concept, qualities of optimum capital structure. First point, simplicity. Simple to understand and easy to use. For example, ordinary and preference share, it will be preferred for capital structure. Coming to next point, flexibility. The changes or modification can easily adopted in capital structure. Next point, minimum cost of capital by acquiring a funds at low cost or at cheap. Coming to next point, liquidity, converting into cash. So as a company has to make a payment towards the part of salary, wages, rent, dividend, etc. Coming to next point, maximum return. As an organization, it should be earning a profit to pay a interest on borrowed fund. Coming to next point, legal requirement. The ratio of debt and equity as prescribed